In this tutorial, we discuss about types of functions. There are mainly three functions: one-one function or injective function. Second one, onto function or surjective function. Third one, one-one onto function or bijective function. First one, one-one or injective function. A function f from a to b is said to be 1-1 if the images of distinct elements of A under f are distinct. Now consider a function from A to B. A consists 1, 2, 3. B has elements A, B, C, D. Distinct elements are mapped to distinct elements. 1 is not equal to 2. F of 1 is A and f of 2 is B. A is not equal to B. Distinct elements of A maps to distinct elements of B. A സെറ്റിലെ വ്യത്യസ്തമായ എലമെൻസിൻ്റെ ഇമേജുകളും വ്യത്യസ്തമായിരിക്കണം. So that function is one-one function. If two elements x1 and x2, 2 is not equal to 3, then f of 2 is not equal to f of 3. Such functions are known as one-one function. Now in this case, 1 is not equal to 2, but f of 1 is b, f of 2 is b. That is, f of 1 is equal to f of 2. So this function is not one-one. വ്യത്യസ്തമായ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ആണ്, പക്ഷെ അതിൻ്റെ ഇമേജ് സെയിം എലമെൻ്റ് ആണ്. 1 not equal to 2, but f of 1 equal to b, which is equal to f of 2. So this function is not one-one, or it is known as many-one function. one-one ആവണമെങ്കിൽ വേറെ എലമെൻറ്റ് ഡിസ്റ്റിങ്ക്റ്റ് എലമെൻറ്റ്സിനെ ഡിസ്റ്റിങ്ക്റ്റ് എലമെൻറ്റ്സിലേക്ക് മാപ്പ് ചെയ്യണം. Now if x1 not equal to x2, then f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. This is the condition for one-one function. Different elements x1 not equal to x2, their images are also different, distinct. F of x1 is not equal to f of x2. To prove f is one-one, we use its contrapositive method. Here the statement is if p then q. Its contrapositive is if not q then not p. Not q is f of x1 equal to f of x2. Not p is x1 equal to x2. ഈ മെത്തേഡ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ f11 ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. f of x1 equal to f of x2. രണ്ട് ഇമേജസ് സെയിം ആണ് എടുക്കുക. അങ്ങനെ വരണമെങ്കിൽ എന്താവണം? ആ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് സെയിം ആയിരിക്കണം. x1 is equal to x2. This is the condition for one-one function. If f of x1 equal to f of x2, that implies x1 equal to x2. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. f from R to R, set of all real numbers to set of all real numbers given by f of x equal to 5x plus 2. Now take f of x1 equal to f of x2. Replace x by x1. 5x1 plus 2 equal to 5x2 plus 2. f of x2 is 5x2 plus 2. Subtracting 2 from both sides, we get 5x1 equal to 5x2. Divide both sides by 5, we get x1 equal to x2. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. So the function is one-one function. Now second one, onto function or surjective function. A function f maps from a to b is said to be onto if every element of b is the image of some element of a under f. Every element of b is an image of some elements of a. അതായത് വേറൊരു രീതിയിൽ പറയാച്ചാൽ a has a pre-image. a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ എലമെൻറ്റിന് പ്രീ-ഇമേജ് ഉണ്ടാവണം. b എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സെറ്റിലെ എലമെൻസുകൾക്കെല്ലാം പ്രീ-ഇമേജസ് ഉണ്ടാവണം. 1 is mapped to a. Image of 1 is a. Pre-image of a is 1. Pre-image of b is 2. Pre-image of c is 3. ഇവിടുത്തെ എല്ലാ എലമെൻറ്റുകൾക്കും പ്രീ-ഇമേജസ് ഉണ്ടാവണം. So this function is onto function. Now in this case, d has no pre-image. d ലേക്ക് arrow mark വന്നിട്ടില്ല. d has no pre-image. So this function is not onto. If a function is not onto, it is said to be into function. Now consider a function from n to n. N is set of all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Here also we have n. Domain is n. Codomain is also n. Function is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 3 to 6. That is, here the function is f of x equal to 2x. Clearly this function is 1, 1 function. 1 is not equal to 2. Its images are also different. 1 not equal to 2, f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. 2 is not equal to 3, f of 2 is not equal to f of 3. അതുപോലെ 4 നിന്ന് 8ലേക്ക് 5 നിന്ന് 10ലേക്ക് 6 നിന്ന് 12ലേക്ക് ആരോസ് ഉണ്ടാകും. പക്ഷേ ഇവിടെ ഇത്ര ആരോസ് മാത്രമേ ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ കാണിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ആക്ച്വലി ഇവിടെ ആരോ ഉണ്ടാകും 4 to 8, 5 to 10, 6 to 12. Okay. So this function is 1, 1 function. Different elements, distinct elements are mapped to distinct elements of n. But this function is not onto because 1 has no preimage, 3 has no preimage, 5 has no preimage. So this function is not onto. Now consider a relation from this set, blue set, to the white set. Here this is the domain and this is codomain. And here every element of A possesses unique image, so this is a function. Now here domain consists 3 elements, codomain consists 4 elements, range consists these 3 elements. Now when this range is equal to codomain, the function becomes onto function. Now here this function is not onto because this element has no preimage. When this yellow part covers white part, that is range is equal to codomain, then this function becomes onto function. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിപ്പോൾ കാണുമ്പോൾ മുട്ട ഇങ്ങനെ പകുതിയാക്കി വെച്ച മാതിരിയുണ്ട്. അതിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ കുറച്ച് മുളക് പൊടിയും ഉപ്പ് പൊടിയൊക്കെ ഇട്ട് വെച്ചിട്ടല്ലേ. A function f from a to b is onto if and only if range of f is equal to b. Here range is abc, set abc, that is equal to b. So this function is onto function. If n of a equal to n of b equal to n is a finite number, then an 1, 1 function from a to b must be onto function. അതായത് ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ 1, 1 ഫംഗ്ഷൻ വരച്ചാൽ അത് ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കായിട്ട് ഓൺ ടു ഫംഗ്ഷനായി മാറും. അതുപോലെ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഓൺ ടു ഫംഗ്ഷൻ വരച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് 1, 1 ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും. അതിന് കണ്ടീഷൻ ഇതാണ്, n of a equal to number of elements in a equal to number of elements in b which is equal to a finite number. Here number of elements in a is equal to number of elements in b is equal to 3. There are total 3 elements. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ 1, 1 ഫംഗ്ഷൻ വരച്ചാൽ അത് ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കായിട്ട് ഓൺ ടു ആവും. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഫൈനൈറ്റ് സെറ്റിനകത്ത് ഈ കണ്ടീഷൻ സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇൻജക്റ്റീവ്, സർജക്റ്റീവ്, ബൈജക്റ്റീവ് ഈ മൂന്നും ഇക്വാലൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഇൻജക്റ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ അത് ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കായിട്ട് സർജക്റ്റീവ് ആകും. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ആ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ബൈജക്റ്റീവ് ആയിട്ട് മാറും. Now consider a function from a to b, minus 2 to 4, 2 to 4, minus 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 0 to 0. Okay, here the function is f of x equal to x square. Image of minus 2 is 4, image of 2 is 4. Minus 2 is not equal to 2, but f of minus 2 is equal to 4, f of 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so this function is not 1, 1. Similarly here minus 1 not equal to 1, but their images are same 1. So this function is not 1, 1. x1 not equal to x2, but f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So this function is not 1, 1. This function is also not onto because 2 has no preimage, 3 has no preimage. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു എലമെന്റിന് preimage ഇല്ലാതെ ഇരുന്നാൽ തന്നെ അത് not onto ആയിട്ട് മാറും. Okay, so this function is not 1, 1, not onto, so it is not bijective. Now consider a function from a to b, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 4. Here also f of x is x square, 0 to 0, 1 to 1, 2 to 4. In this case, this function is both 1, 1 and onto. Distinct elements are mapped to distinct elements. Every element of b has preimage. So this function is both 1, 1 and onto. So this function is known as 1 onto function or bijective function. A function f from a to b is said to be bijective if f is both 1 and onto. 1 onto ആയിരിക്കണം. ബൈജക്റ്റീവ് ആവണമെങ്കിൽ f 1 ആയിരിക്കണം, onto ആയിരിക്കണം. Now here consider some relations. Now x1 to y1, x1 to y2. This element has two images. So this relation is not a function. x2 has no image. So this relation violates two conditions for the function. So this is not a function. Now in this case, every element of A possesses unique image. So this relation is a function. But x1 not equal to x2, but f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So this function is not 1 1. ആദ്യത്തെ കേസിൽ 1 1 ആണോ ഓൺ ടു ആണോ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമേ വരുന്നില്ല, കാരണം ഇത് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ അല്ല. രണ്ടാമത്തെ കേസ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആണ്, പക്ഷെ ഇത് 1 1 ഫംഗ്ഷൻ അല്ല. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഈസ് നോട്ട് 1 1. Now here consider this relation. This is a function, but this is not onto. y4 has no preimage, so this function is not onto, so it is not bijective. Now in this fourth case, every element of A has unique image, so it is a function. Distinct elements are mapped to distinct elements, so this function is 1 1. Every element of B has preimage, so this function is onto. So this function is both 1 1 and onto. So this is a bijective function. Now here we have a problem. F from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x plus 4. Prove that f is both 1 1 and onto. F of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. F of x1 is 3x1 plus 4. F of x2 is 3 plus x by x2, 3x2 plus 4. Subtract 4 from both sides. 3x1 equal to 3x2. Dividing by 3, we get x1 equal to x2. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. So this function is 1 1 function. Okay, 1 1 function prove ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ്. f of x1 equal to f of x2 എടുക്കണം, x1 equal to x2 നമ്മൾ prove ചെയ്യണം. So this function is 1 1 function. ഇനി നമ്മൾ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് onto ആണ്. To prove onto function, take f of x equal to y. That is 3x plus 4 equal to y. 3x equal to y minus 4. x equal to y minus 4 divided by 3. അതായത് നമ്മളിവിടെ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കോഡൊമെയിനിലെ y എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ എലമെൻറ്റിന് ഡൊമെയിനിൽ ഒരു x നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. അതായത് y-യുടെ പ്രീ ഇമേജ് ആണ് x. ആ x ആണ് ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിവിടെ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. x is equal to y minus 4 by 3. y ഏത് റിയൽ നമ്പർ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും y minus 4 by 3 is always a real number. This value belongs to this set domain. ഇവിടുത്തെ ഒരു yക്ക് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്കിവിടെ ഒരു പ്രീ ഇമേജ് x ഉണ്ട് എന്നാണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇതാണ് ഓൺ ടു എന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട മെത്തഡ്. എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു വൈ, 3x plus 4 equal to y, 3x equal to y minus 4. So x is equal to y minus 4 by 3. Okay, so we have pre-image for this y. So this function is onto function. So ഇവിടെ മൂന്ന് റിലേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ y square equal to 2x, second one y equal to 2x square, y equal to 2x. Consider first relation, y square equal to 2x. When x is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, y square is 4, y equal to plus or minus 2. So 2, 2 minus 2, 2, 2, 2. When x is 8, 2 into 8 is 16, y square is 16, so y equal to plus or minus 4. So 8, 2 minus 4, 8, 2, 4. So this relation 2 maps to minus 2, 2 maps to 2. 2 has two images. So this relation is not a function. Okay, y square equal to 2x is not a function. Now consider second one. When x equal to minus 1, minus 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. When x is 1, 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. So 1 to 2. When x is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 to 8. When x is minus 2 square is 4, 2 into 4 is 8, minus 2 to 8. Minus 1 not equal to 1, but f of minus 1 is 2, which is equal to f of 1. Distinct elements, but images are same. So this function is not 1, 1. Now here third one, y equal to 2x. So 1 to 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6. Now this function is both 1, 1 and onto. Distinct elements are mapped to distinct elements, and every element of codomain has preimage. So this function is both 1, 1 and onto. So this function is bijective. Next topic is horizontal line test. We use horizontal line test to check whether the given function is 1, 1 function. It is also used to check whether the function is onto. If a horizontal line intersects graph of our function at only one point, it is a 1, 1 function. If the horizontal line intersects the graph at one point, unique point, then the function is 1, 1 function. If the horizontal line intersects the graph at more than one point, then the function is not 1, 1, or it is many 1 function. The function f is onto or surjective if and only if its graph intersects any horizontal line at least once. Okay, if horizontal line intersect the graph at least once. Horizontal line തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഗ്രാഫിനെ കുറഞ്ഞത് ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യമെങ്കിലും ഇന്റർസെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം, എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ അത് ഓൺ ടു ആവൂ. ഇന്റർസെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല എങ്കിൽ അത് ഓൺ ടു അല്ലാതായിട്ട് മാറും. അപ്പോൾ ഏത് ഹൊറിസോണ്ടൽ ലൈൻ വേണമെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കവിടെ ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. വ്യത്യസ്തമായ ഹൊറിസോണ്ടൽ ലൈൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. ഗ്രാഫായിട്ട് ഇന്റർസെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. Horizontal line test. Consider a horizontal line. When we move this slider, we get different horizontal lines. Now consider a function g of x equal to 2x plus 1. Now this horizontal line intersect this graph at a single point. So this graph represents graph of a function which is 1, 1. This function is 1, 1. And when we move this slider, we get different horizontal line, and those lines intersect the given graph at a single point, and we have a point of intersection. So the function is both 1, 1 and onto. Now when we consider 5x minus 7, here also horizontal line intersect this graph at a single point, so the function is 1, 1. Consider function x square, p of x equal to x square. This horizontal line intersect the graph at 2 points. So this function is not 1, 1. Here we have x equal to 2, 2 square is 4, and when x is minus 2 square is 4. So image of 2 is 4 and image of minus 2 is 4. 2 is not equal to minus 2, but f of 2 is 4, f of minus 2 is 4. So the function is not 1, 1. When we move this slider, here this line, this horizontal line, here value of y is minus 2.5. Now consider value equal to minus 3. Here y value is minus 3. This y equal to minus 3 has no preimage. We know that x square is positive for x greater than 0, and when x less than 0, x square is always positive. So negative y value has no preimage. So this horizontal line does not intersect the graph of x square. So the function is not onto. When the horizontal line has no points of intersection, the graph is not onto. Similarly, in the case of x raised to 4, x raised to 4 is not 1, 1 because the horizontal line intersect at 2 points. And when we move here, horizontal line has no point of intersection, so this graph is not onto. If the horizontal line has more than one points of intersection, the function is not 1, 1. If there is no point of intersection, the function is not onto. Now in the case of x cube, horizontal line intersect at a single point, and when we move this slider at any point, at any value of y, the horizontal line intersect this curve. So the function is both 1 1 and onto. Similarly, x raised to 5 is also both 1 1 and onto. When we consider signum function is defined as f of x equal to 0 when x equal to 0, f of x is 1 when x greater than 0, and f of x equal to minus 1 when x less than 0. Now here this horizontal line has no point of intersection, so this graph is not onto. When we move this slider, now consider y value equal to x, y value equal to, here it is 1, y value is 1. Now this horizontal line intersect the curve at infinitely many points, so it is clearly not 1 1. Now consider floor function. Here horizontal line has infinitely many points of intersection, so the function is not 1 1. Now here this horizontal line has no points of intersection, so the function is not onto. Now consider absolute value function, modulus of x. Horizontal line intersect at 2 points, so the function is not 1 1. Modulus of 1 is 1 and modulus of minus 1 is 1, so the function is not 1 1. Now when we move the slider, now here y value is minus 1.5. For this y value there is no preimage. This horizontal line does not intersect given graph, so the function is not onto. Now consider e raised to x. If e raised to x is from r to r, the function is not onto. Now when we move upwards, this horizontal line intersect at this point, at a single point, so the function is 1 1. Now to make the function onto, we have to restrict the codomain r to r plus, that is 0 to infinity. Take codomain as open interval 0 infinity, then the function becomes onto. So e raised to x from r to open interval 0 infinity is both 1 1 and onto. Now consider log x. This function is 1 1 and onto. Now consider x square. We know that x square is not 1 1 and not onto. Now define function x square in this interval 0 to infinity. When x greater than 0, x square, function is x square. Now here the function is 1 1. To make the function 1 1, restrict the domain r to 0 infinity. Now sin x is not onto and it is not 1 1. Now here sin 0 is 0, sin pi is 0, sin 2 pi is 0. Sin maps 0 to 0, pi to 0, 2 pi to 0. So clearly it is not 1 1. Now here for this y value there is no preimage. Range of y is, range of sin x is minus 1 to 1. Curve lies between minus 1 1. So range of sin x is minus 1 1. So sin x from r to r is not 1 1 and onto. To make this function onto, we have to take codomain as closed interval minus 1 1. To make the function 1 1, we have to take domain as minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Now this function is 1 1, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. When x is in between minus pi by 2 pi by 2, sin x is 1 1. Now when we consider sin x in the interval 0 to pi, it is not 1 1. Consider a problem. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. That is, we have to check whether the function is 1 1 and onto. Here there are 5 problems. F from n to n given by f of x equal to x square. F from set to set given by f of x equal to x square. F from r to r given by f of x equal to x square. and f from n to n given by f of x equal to x cube, f from z to z given by f of x equal to x cube. For the problem, same function, f of x is x square, but in the last two we have x cube. Here f from n to n, f from z to z, and f from r to r. We have same function x square. Now consider first problem, f is from n to n given by f of x equal to x square, 1 to 1 square, 2 to 2 square, 3 to 3 square. Different elements are mapped to different elements. 1 is not equal to 2 and here 1 is not equal to 4. Distinct elements of n are mapped to distinct elements of the codomain n. So the function is 1, 1. But this 2 has no preimage, 3 has no preimage, 5, 6, 7, 8 has no preimages, etc. So this function is not onto. 2 has no preimage, so the function is not onto. So f of x equal to x square is 1, 1 but not onto. Now second one, f from z to z given by f of x equal to x square. Minus 1 square is 1. Z consists minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And minus 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1. Minus 1 not equal to 1, but f of minus 1 equal to 1, which is equal to f of 1. So this function is not 1, 1. x1 not equal to x2, but f of x1 equal to f of x2. So this function is not 1, 1. Now this negative numbers minus 1, minus 2 has no preimage. So 2 has no preimage and 3 has no preimage, etc. So this function is not onto. So this function is not 1, 1 and not onto. Now consider f from r to r given by f of x equal to x square. Clearly this function is not 1, 1 because 2 square is 4 and minus 2 square is also 4. 2 is mapped to 4 and minus 2 is mapped to 4. 2 is not equal to minus 2. F of 2 is 4. F of minus 2 is 4. So the function is not 1, 1. Now this negative real numbers has no preimage. Minus 0.1, minus 0.2, etc. has no preimage. So this function is not onto. Now next problem is f from n to n given by f of x equal to x cube. Now n consists elements 1, 2, 3, etc. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Distinct elements are mapped to distinct elements. So the function is 1, 1. Now here 2 has no preimage, 3 has no preimage, etc. 7 has no preimage, 9, etc. 26 has no preimages. So this function is not onto. 2 has no preimage, so the function is not onto. So here this function is 1, 1 but not onto. Now last one, f from z to z given by f of x equal to x cube. Minus 1 to minus 1, 0 to 0, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So clearly this function is 1, 1. Distinct elements are mapped to distinct elements. So the function is 1, 1. But this function is not onto because 2 has no preimage. So this function f of x equal to x cube from z to z is 1, 1 but not onto. Okay, thank you.